Imagine drinking a clear, refreshing soda. That tastes exactly the same, whether you're in a small town or on the other side of the world. Now imagine this. Every single second, over 20,000 plus bottles of Sprite are produced globally, all with identical taste. But here's the shocking part. Even a 0.1% change in formula can be detected instantly, and entire batches worth thousands of dollars get rejected. Now think about this. Machines inside these factories move so fast, they can fill a bottle in less than a second, faster than you can blink. But here's the real question. How do they control this level of perfection? Every single time. This is Infusions and Elements, where we uncover the hidden systems behind everyday things. And today, you're about to see what really happens inside a Sprite factory, including a step so precise, most people were never supposed to see it. The hidden challenge behind every bottle. At first glance, Sprite looks simple. Just a clear fizzy drink, no color, no mystery. But that's exactly what makes it one of the hardest drinks to produce. Because when a drink has no color, there's nowhere to hide mistakes. Any imbalance in flavor, any contamination, even a slight change in carbonation becomes instantly noticeable. Now imagine doing this, not for one bottle, but for millions, every single day. So how do factories manage perfection at this scale? It all starts with something you can't even see, the water that must be perfect. Every bottle of Sprite begins with water, but not just any water. The water goes through multiple purification stages, removing everything that could affect taste, dust particles, dissolved minerals, even microscopic impurities. Factories use reverse osmosis systems, carbon filtration, and UV treatment. This process strips the water down to its purest form. Think of it like resetting the water completely. So the factory can rebuild the flavor from zero. Because if the base isn't perfect, nothing else will be. The secret syrup system. Now comes the most controlled part of the process, the syrup. This is where Sprite gets its signature lemon-lime taste. But here's what most people don't realize. The syrup is not made casually. It's created inside sealed mixing tanks, where every ingredient is measured with extreme precision. Sugar or sweetener is dissolved first, then concentrated flavor blends are added. These concentrates are incredibly powerful. A small amount can flavor thousands of liters. Everything is monitored by automated systems. Temperature, mixing speed, timing, all controlled in real time. Even a tiny imbalance can change the entire batch, so machines handle everything, without error. Blending water and syrup. Now the purified water and syrup finally meet, but not randomly. They are combined using high-precision dosing systems that control the exact ratio. Too much syrup, and the drink becomes overly sweet. Too little, and it loses its identity. So every drop is measured. Flow meters control the mixture with extreme accuracy, ensuring consistency across millions of bottles. This system works incredibly fast, producing thousands of liters in just minutes, faster than manual production could ever achieve. But something is still missing. The element that gives Sprite its signature bite. The carbonation process. This is where the drink comes alive. Carbon dioxide is injected into the liquid under high pressure. This creates bubbles. But carbonation isn't just about fizz, it's about balance. Too much gas, and the drink feels harsh. Too little, and it feels flat. Factories control this using pressurized tanks, where both temperature and pressure are carefully managed. The liquid is cooled before carbonation, because cold liquid absorbs CO2 better. And here's the crazy part. These machines can carbonate thousands of bottles every hour, with the exact same level of fizz in each one. It's like every bottle gets perfectly engineered bubbles. Bottle manufacturing happens at the same time. While the drink is being prepared, bottles are being created nearby. They start as small plastic pieces called preforms, inside blow molding machines. These preforms are heated, then expanded using high-pressure air. Within seconds, they transform into full-sized bottles. Perfect shape, perfect strength. And this happens incredibly fast. Thousands of bottles, every single hour, all identical. This reduces contamination and keeps the entire system efficient, filling at extreme speeds. Now comes the most intense stage. The bottles move on to a conveyor system, entering the filling machine. Multiple nozzles fill bottles simultaneously with exact volume control. Not a drop more, not a drop less. Everything happens inside a sealed environment. Clean, controlled, precise. And the speed is unbelievable. Some lines can fill up to 60,000 bottles per hour. That's faster than most people can even process. It's not just fast, it's perfectly synchronized. Sealing and inspection. Immediately after filling, bottles are sealed. Caps are applied instantly, locking in carbonation, because even a small delay can cause gas loss. Then comes inspection. High-speed cameras scan every bottle. They check fill levels, cap placement, bottle shape. If anything is off, even slightly, the bottle is rejected. No guesswork, just precision. And once you start seeing how much precision goes into something this simple, you realize almost everything around you has a hidden system like this. If you enjoy uncovering these factory secrets, make sure you're subscribed, because it only gets crazier from here. Labeling and packaging. After passing inspection, bottles move to labeling. Labels are applied perfectly at high speed. This is where the product becomes recognizable. Then bottles are grouped, packed into cases, or shrink-wrapped, ready for shipment. The system never slows down, it keeps moving, continuously. Global distribution system. Now imagine this. Thousands of bottles leave the factory every hour. Where do they all go? They're loaded onto trucks, sent to warehouses, then distributed worldwide. But this isn't random. Factories use real-time demand tracking. If one region needs more supply, shipments adjust instantly. It's like a living system, constantly balancing itself, ensuring the same Sprite reaches everywhere. Same taste, same experience. The final reality behind every sip. Now think about the next time you open a bottle. That simple fizz sound. Behind it is a system of purified water, precision chemistry, high-pressure carbonation, ultra-fast machines, and global logistics, all working together non-stop. Millions of bottles, identical taste, every single day. And the craziest part? Most people will never see this. They'll just take a sip and move on. But now you know, this isn't just a drink. It's a perfectly engineered system, hidden in plain sight. If you want to keep discovering what really happens behind the things you use every day, from food factories to massive production systems, then hit subscribe, because the next time you look at something ordinary, you might realize it was never ordinary at all.